So let's start. We're doing angle bisector and protractors, but we're not going to actually use a protractor. We're not in class. But I gave you protractors on the backside. Okay? So real quick, let's just go through what the definitions are. An angle bisector is a ray that divides an angle into two angles that are congruent. So it's going to cut an angle in perfect half. Perfectly half and half. It bisects it, right? Sorry, I think when that happens, someone's trying to get in. Yep. Okay. Sorry. So the angle bisector theorem says that if BX is the bisector, if BX cuts it in half, then ABX, the top angle, here's ABX. ABX is half of the whole thing, right? Doesn't that make sense? If this line cuts my angle in half, then this top angle is half of the whole thing. And XBC, this lower angle, is half of the whole angle. That's the angle bisector theorem, okay? So here we go. Number 2, I've got MP bisects LMN. And obviously still, I love volunteers if you guys, okay? MP bisects LMN. And then LMP is 32. So if this is 32 and this is the bisector, I know that those two are equal. So here's the deal. Find PMN. So virtually raise hand, PMN. Aaron, let me move this down here. Okay, Aaron, go ahead.
32 degrees.
It is because it's the same size. And then the whole angle, Aaron, you can tell me that too. The whole angle, LMN,
is 64 degrees.
Yep, 64 degrees. Perfect. So is LMN someone new? Is LMN acute, right, obtuse, straight? Samantha?
Acute.
It is acute. Easy. Number 2, QS bisects PQR. So I could say that they're congruent, draw one line showing that they're the same size. So Jana, I want to know, okay, SQR is 60. Jana, SQP, this angle is what, Jana? No, somebody else? Anna?
The angle is 60.
Yep, SQP is 60 degrees. Don't forget to put the little degree symbol. And then Anna, the whole thing, PQR, is?
Also 60.
The whole thing.
120.
Yes. Excellent. Is someone new? Zoe?
It's obtuse.
It is. Hold on, I have to get everybody's name. Obtuse. Obtuse means between like 91 degrees and 179, right? Okay. RQ bisects PRS. This is the middle. So these two are equal. Find the value of X. Someone want to give me an equation so that I can find the value of X? Elise?
Right. It would be 6x plus 1 equals 80.
It sure is. So solve. This stuff's easy. I'm expecting that you're, super good at algebra, everybody. Okay. And then 6x equals 84. So anyone? Patrick.
So it would be 14.
Yep. X equals 14. Okay. Then I just care about PRS, the whole thing. And you know what's funny about this is that you guys check this out. I don't want you to plug in 14 into anything. If I know that this is the bisector and this side's 85, this side also has to be 85. So just do 85 plus 85, please. Do not plug 14 in and then add 85, okay? Simra.
It'd be 170.
It is. So let's talk about how to write that. You are correct. Good. Angle, PRS, equals 170 degrees. That's how you write it, okay? Okay, BD bisects, sorry, I had a cat. All right. BD bisects ABC, half and half. Okay, I've got to find the angle and then I want to know the whole thing. So Tessa.
9x minus 9 equals 7x plus 3.
Yes, ma'am. And then like combine the x's, combine the 9 and 3. Do you want to still help me, Tessa?
Oh yeah, sure.
Okay.
So you subtract 7x from both sides. So it becomes 2x minus 9 equals 3. And then you add 9 to both sides. 2x equals 12.
Mm-hmm.
And then you divide 2 by both sides, and x equals 6.
Excellent. Excellent, excellent. I'm gonna turn the page. How are we on time? We're good on time. All right. Here's some protractors, guys. Nice photocopies of protractors. Okay. Congruent angles, angles that have the same measure. So, adjacent angles, angles that are right next to each other, they share a side, they share a ray, okay? Adjacent, side by side. I am adjacent to my computer, whatever. I'm adjacent to the table, okay? Next to. So here we go. Name the angles that are congruent. So when you name them, you need to put, let me give you one example and then you can do the other one. One example is you need to write the angle symbol. You need to give 3 letters for an angle. I'm going to say, let's do this 30 and 30 real quick. That's obvious, right? CGD angle. CGD is congruent. That's an equal sign with a wavy line on top. EGF, angle EGF. Okay. Angle CGD is congruent to angle EGF. Now, let's fill in this missing piece. 20 plus 50 is 70. Plus 100, plus 30 is 100. Plus 30 more is 130. So I know that this whole thing is 180 because it's a straight angle, straight line. So what is this missing piece, DGE? Elisa K?
50.
50. So since it's 50 degrees, I now have another set of congruent angles that I would like somebody to tell me how to write it. I'm going to always pick new people, okay? Because I want, and I need to look at people that don't have 2 dots yet, because that's 2 participations. Oh, shoot. Your hands are going up and then they go down. Riley. Oh, no, you have 2. Nicholas. Good. This will be your second one. Go ahead.
So would the first one be BCG?
B.
BCG.
Say it again. B.
BGC.
Yeah. Okay. Is congruent to 2.
DGE.
DGE. Love it. Angle DGE. Okay. Number 6, just name a set. Don't name all the sets because there's tons of adjacent angles here. I just need one example of an adjacent angle. So if you already volunteered a lot this week, take a break. Okay, what can I, who can I? Arian, you're good, Arian. Arian, give me a adjacent.
One adjacent angle is AGB and AGB and BGC.
BG, yep. Good, that's just one of them. There's tons, okay? All of these ones that are side by side, they're adjacent.
Miss Grant,
Yeah.
how come BGC is adjacent when
It's
it's already congruent?
Oh, well, they can be doubled up. Like it is congruent. This 50 degrees is congruent to this 50 degrees. But what just happened is that we just chose 2 angles that were side by side, and one of them happened to be BGC and the other one was AGB. So it's a coincidence that they're both listed on here. But adjacent means side by side. So I could have picked this angle and this angle. Those are side by side adjacent, or this one and this one.
So you could have picked CGD and DGE?
I could have, yeah.
Okay.
It was like personal choice, whatever you felt like picking. All right, number 7. So the protractor, the use of a protractor. The longest side is where my 0 is. So I'm gonna mark that all my zeros for 7 and 8 are right there, okay? So Rella, what is the measurement of number 7? 0 all the way to?
The measurement is 165.
165 degrees. See how this is where it ends up? Between 160 and 170, 165 degrees. Okay, good. Somebody else for number 8. Elise H.
55 degrees.
Here's the 0. It's in between 50 and 60, 55 degrees. Okay. I can't have anybody volunteer to draw it, so you guys need to draw it on your own. Number 9 and 10. Go ahead and draw 9 and 10. A 72 degree angle. Here's my 0 baseline. So 72 is going to be a line. If you want to use a straight edge, that's smart. 72. There's 72, in my opinion. 168, right? Like, right there? That's fine. Okay. All right. I'm so confused in the schedule today. I keep looking like, okay, when do I stop? All right. Go ahead and do the best you can. I want to let you know that 13 is a little bit harder, requires a little more work. 14 requires some more work, and 15 requires some more work. but 11 and 12 should be pretty basic. So go ahead and do 11 and 12 on your own. And then I want volunteers. So why don't you go ahead and do all 5 of them? And then I'm gonna want 5 different volunteers. Okay, I'm ready. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? There's no symbol that shows that there's adjacent, Aaron. Okay. So real quick with the chats, ask me the questions in the chats. Chats are becoming you guys just talking to each other like as friends. Ask me the math questions if it's on chat instead of just chatting amongst yourselves, because I don't want to stop recording to go into chats every time someone has a question. I prefer that you just ask me out loud, okay? All right, so I need 5 people. I'm starting with number 11. So hold on. Sunny, I just had to make sure I said it right. Sunny, and then Andrea, you're number 12. Andrea. Sunny, number 11.
I think it's 47, but I think 46 works too. I don't know.
Oh, just by looking at it, I know. Let's go with 47.
Okay.
I'm okay with that. Andrea, number 12.
130.
Yes. Good. Okay. Maxie, BEC.
60.
It's, yeah, you know what I did for like BEC? It's like 105 right here, right? And then whatever, I don't know, 47. Is that what you got? Like 47, if we stick with 47 degrees right here. So then you're subtracting 105 minus 47. Is that what you did?
I did 45 instead of 47, so I got 60.
Oh, okay, it's not, no, that's not horrible. Okay, it's about, I'll say anywhere between 58 degrees to 60 degrees. We can have a range of answers. It depends on how you look at it, right? Especially since there's not little tick marks. You know how there's the tick marks usually in between each set of 10? Shay, did I get that right? Shay, will you do 14? And how about if I call in someone? Jacqueline, are you with me today?
Yeah.
Can you do 15, Jacqueline?
Okay.
Okay, so first we're doing 14. Go ahead, 14.
I got 25 degrees.
So CED, 105 and 130. Yeah, 130 minus 105, 25 degrees. Okay. All right, BED, BED. Well, we know that BEC, we said was like whatever, 57 to 58 to whatever. Then CED, we said was 25. So go ahead, Jacqueline, what did you get?
I got 50.
So 50 is a little small because look at what we're adding. B is like at 47 degrees all the way to 130. So you basically are subtracting 130 minus 48, 47, whatever. 47. So it's 130 minus 47. And Jacqueline, I still need you to give me that answer.
$93 degrees.
Off by 10, that's okay. 83 degrees. Okay, good. Okay.
Miss
What?
Grant.
Yeah.
So what I did for that one was I basically looked at BEC and CED and then added those two together to get the whole BED.
Yeah.
And I ended up getting 85.
Right. Remember how we said that this range was between 58 and 60, depending on, that was her choice. So you're right. It's fine. 83, 84, 85. It can't be exact because there's not little tick marks. So you're fine. Let me show you. Oh, I don't have it handy. Okay. Anyways, tonight's homework is on Google Classroom. We can stop. Oh, I'm a minute over. Oh my gosh. We really have to stop. Sorry. Okay. And yeah. Okay. So guys, I will see you tomorrow. Let me know if you want to come today during student support. It's at 12:40. Okay. Bye guys.